How to quickly set up your Samsung TV for digital signage in less than 5 minutes. After setting up and turning on your TV, a setup screen will appear. Select your language and connect your TV to your Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi connection is established, please read and accept the terms and conditions. Choose the orientation of the screen: portrait if the screen is installed vertically and landscape if installed horizontally. In the list of players, select Custom App. Enter the URL provided in your onboarding email to download the iInfinite player. Once this is done, press Go and then press the right arrow on the remote control to proceed to the next step. In the server address field, enter Tizen.i in .media. Then, check that the port number is 7001 and click Next. Name the TV based on the location where it is placed and proceed to the next step. Choose the time that corresponds to your time zone, click Next, and create a password. Once you are in the home page, press the menu button. Then go to System. Scroll all the way down, go to General, scroll all the way down again, and click on Empty Storage. A pop-up appears. Click on Yes to confirm. Go back to the System menu and scroll up. Click on Time, click on NTP Settings. Enter pool.ntp.org in the server URL. Verify that the network time protocol is set to use and that the time zone is correct. You can save. After that, go back to Settings and scroll down to Auto Source Switching. Here, enable the Auto Source Switching function and change the primary source to HDMI 1 and the secondary source to Custom App. Once this is done, go back and scroll down to click on Power Control. Enable Auto Power On and disable Max Power Saving. Go back once again and scroll down to Power and Energy Saving. Check that the functions Energy Saving Solution, No Signal Power Off, and Auto Power Off are disabled. Go back, scroll down to Play Via, and select Custom App. Next, you can return to the home page and press the Home button. In your favorites, click on Custom App, and this will launch the installation of the iInfinite Player application. The iInfinite software will launch automatically after a few moments. Once it has started, a number will appear. This number allows you to pair the screen with your iInfinite account to then send your images to your player. You will need your laptop for the next step. Go on iintelligence.com and log in with your account name and password. Click on Open iIntelligence. Scroll down on the main page and click on New Media Player. Enter the code displayed on your player to pair it with your iInfinite account. Name your display based on its location and click on Associate. Click on the player you just added, go to Playlist and Layout, select the box and a playlist, then save. Next, go to Content Library. Select where you want to add your content, this screen or all your screens. Click on Upload Contents, select the picture you want to display, choose the start and end dates for its display, and then click Upload to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your display is now ready to use.